This is a screencast presentation to show you how to register for classes using WebAdvisor before the first day of class. First, if you haven't done so already, sign into WebAdvisor by clicking the words Login in the upper right hand corner of the WebAdvisor homepage. Then, enter your username and password and click Submit. If you do not know your username or password, go back to the WebAdvisor homepage, click the Students tab, and select What's My User ID or What's My Password for assistance. After logging in, select the Students tab on the WebAdvisor homepage. Now, to register for classes, go down to the registration area and select Register for Sections. On the next screen, select Search and Register for Sections. On the Search Register for Sections screen, you have three things to do. First, you need to select the semester in which you wish to register by clicking the down arrow next to Term and selecting the proper semester. Next, under the Subject heading, click the down arrow to find the prefix for a class you wish to take. I'm going to select PSY for Psychology in this example. Finally, type in the course number under that heading in the same row as your subject. In this example, I'm going to type 150 for Psychology 150. If you do not know what course number you need, you may skip this step. Continue to select other subjects and course numbers as you desire, up to 5 selections. If you need to search for more classes, you may do this process again later. If you wish to only search for sections on a particular day of the week, you may click one of the boxes below. However, this is not suggested as you may accidentally screen out a class you otherwise would want to take. Click the Submit button once you've entered all the classes you need. On the Section Selection Results screen, you can see all the available classes for the semester, subject, and course number you previously selected. Note, this table shows you class times, faculty information, and class availability or capacity. Make sure under the Meeting Information heading that a class doesn't say More at the end. If it does, you will need to click the class name link under the section name and title heading, which will open another screen that will detail more class information such as lab hours. This is important to remember as sometimes both the lecture and lab hours for class do not easily display on the section selection results screen. As you search through the various classes in this search, check the box under the Select heading when you find sections of the class you would like to add to your preferred sections. When you finish finding all the classes you would like to add, click the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. The next screen is where your preferred sections are listed and awaiting your further action. Now, if registration is not yet officially open, or you haven't fully decided if you'd like to register for these classes, you may exit WebAdvisor at this time, and your preferred sections list will automatically save for you to come back later. I'm going to click the Main Menu tab at the top to show you how to come back directly to your preferred sections. First, select the Students tab after logging back in. Once on the Students menu page, select the link for Register and Drop Sections before the first day of the semester. This should take you right back to your preferred sections list. To make a global decision for all classes listed, select the down arrow next to the Action for All Preferred Sections box. You may choose Register or Remove from List. These are the only two options currently available. Remove from List will delete the class from your preferred sections list. The other option is to select an action individually under the Action heading next to each class. Once you've selected an action for each class, click the Submit button at the bottom to save your decision. You will be taken to the registration results screen, which will let you know if your request was processed. If you run into any error messages with class registration, such as a prerequisite issue, please contact your advisor or Student and Enrollment Services in Building A for assistance.